Hello guys, so I'm driving around Gwarinpa Estate. This is the largest estate, the largest single housing estate in Nigeria and the whole of West Africa. You understand? It's situated in phase 3 FCT, Federal Capital Territory. You don't understand? So I want to show now how it be. But this video na 8 minutes video, and of course e no dey possible say you go fit drive around the largest estate in West Africa under 8 minutes. So as I just take package and be saying I go dey drop 8 minutes videos around this what I do for inside this Gwarinpa estate. So just watch this video down to the end and tell me wetin you think for comment section. So as e be like this now, the houses wey dey for here no be small thing. Expensive houses, even the boutiques wey dey here. See Ice World Center, supermarkets, everything wey dey here. You understand? You go dey buy things dey there. Another one wey dey for front too, they say H Medics. That place na another nice place quite for this Gwarinpa people say if you buy things. You understand? So everything for you actually go dey expensive, like everything for this Gwarinpa. Of course, na where big men then they live now. You know, understand? They have good road networks here, good supermarkets, everything just dey for this state. Of course, wetin you expect, the largest estate for West Africa. So just watch this video down to the end and then tell me what you think for comment section. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the videos. I pass your hood, tell me for comment section. If they stay for Gwarinpa, tell me for comment section. Gwarinpa is a nice place to live, but no be like no be for poor people like me. You don't understand? Yeah, so no be for people who never drop the level like me, guy. Yeah, a very nice place to live. See the ambience now, see the greenish, trees everywhere. Yeah, here be say if you just dey sleep, now fresh air. You go dey inhale fresh air. You go dey breathe fresh air. Based on say trees there everywhere, shade. You understand? If you just dey drive around, sun no go too dey shine. If you just dey walk around, sun no go dey touch your head. That kind of thing. Trees everywhere. It makes sense.